Welcome to the RiteForge browser extension. There are two ways to share web pages with RiteForge. First, from any web page, just click the RiteForge browser button, and Enhance will do what you want. Even create images with our subtle background animations. You can also pull down to choose from other Enhance presets or get hashtags from hashtags, or use any of your other tools. Here I have this URL converted to a Writely. If I wanted, I could change to a different CTA. I can also click on the Writely link and see how my CTA will appear. Another way to share with RiteForge is to highlight text and create an image from the text. So here, I'll highlight all of this, right-click, share with RiteForge, and I'm going to choose yellow light rays. The image is created. I could download it. I could also edit it, so I could change to a different template. I could change the attribution lines. I can also edit what the text is. So here I feel this is too much text for one image. I'll cut that down. So when I have everything the way I like it, then I can preview. And when I'm happy with it, I'll save. Then what I have to do is add where I'm going to schedule to. Start typing, get a single social profile I want to share to. I may want to multi-schedule, so I'll leave this open and see if I can get, for example, hashtags from digital marketer. Doesn't look good. I see that's gray. And here, just some retweets, but no exposure. So let's try digital. Looks good. I might look for associated hashtags, add digital marketing. That looks good. And then it's ready to go. So I could add to queue. So then what I might do is change up my hashtags, change the post a little bit, and go with a different template and then schedule from a different account. You can also add more social profiles by clicking this plus. Here in accounts, you can add your social profiles as well as create groups of social profiles to make adding them easy for scheduling. We start you with a default Enhance. You can also create your own, rename them, so that when you click your one button Enhance, it does what you want it to do. Auto hashtagging, emoji, author attribution and such, even using your company or event hashtag on everything you share is possible. You can also decide how URLs in your posts will be shortened, either with bit.ly or with one of your Writely CTAs. Remember to save. And you can set up your add to queue times, your posting schedule, by clicking on the calendar.